The workplace is evolving rapidly, and as we approach 2025, businesses must adapt to stay competitive. I'm Rob Llewellyn, and I've spent years helping organizations all over the world to navigate change and transform their ways of working. By the end of this video, you'll have practical strategies to help your organization thrive in the future of work. Let's start with a simple truth. Companies that succeed in 25 will be those that really embrace flexibility. This isn't just about remote work. It's about giving employees the autonomy to choose where, when, and how they work best. Some roles may require in-office collaboration, while others can flourish with hybrid or fully remote models. The key is to build an adaptable workplace that balances employee needs with business goals. Flexibility is no longer a perk, it's a competitive advantage. Next, let's talk about skills. In 2025, the most valuable employees won't necessarily be those with the most experience. They'll be the ones who can learn and adapt quickly. Skills like problem solving, emotional intelligence, and creativity will be as important as technical know-how. Businesses need to invest in continuous learning to help employees upskill and reskill for changing demands. When people grow, your organization grows with them. A focus on lifelong learning creates a workforce that's ready to tackle new challenges with confidence. Technology will, of course, play a central role in shaping the workplace. AI, automation, and other emerging technologies aren't just buzzwords. They're transforming how we work. But here's the catch. It's not about replacing people. It's about empowering them. AI can handle repetitive tasks and data analysis, freeing employees to focus on strategic, creative, and relationship-driven work. Organizations that thrive will be those that integrate technology thoughtfully, making it a tool for enhancing human potential, not a substitute for it. Another shift we'll see by 2025 is a renewed focus on culture and purpose. Employees increasingly want to work for companies that align with their values and offer a sense of meaning. It's not enough to have a mission statement on your website because you need to live it every day. Creating a strong, inclusive culture where employees feel valued and heard will be essential for attracting and retaining top talent. Purpose-driven organizations are more innovative, more resilient, and better equipped to face challenges. Finally, let's address a critical element of the future of work, and that's leadership. The leaders of tomorrow won't just manage teams, they'll inspire them. Empathy, transparency, and a willingness to listen will be the traits that define great leadership in 2025. It's about empowering people, building trust, and fostering a sense of community, even in a distributed workforce. Leaders who can adapt to change, support their teams, and focus on long-term goals will guide their organizations to success. So, as you think about the future of work, ask yourself, is your organization ready? Flexibility, skills, technology, culture, and leadership aren't just trends. They're strategies for staying competitive and creating a workplace people want to be part of. The future of work isn't something to fear. It's an opportunity to evolve and thrive. Thanks for watching, and what's the biggest challenge your organization faces in preparing for the future of work?